Okay, I just want to make a real quick video to help everybody understand what's going on. I've been having problems with my right extruder motor overload. I've tried 2 different tips, neither one of them work. It's motor overload, it keeps doing it. I've tried to push the residual filament down through this right extruder multiple times, will not budge, and I've tried 2 different extruders. This has green TPU in it, this has black PLA in it, and using my no clogger tool in the right side, I couldn't get either one of these 2 tips. Actually, it's actually this tip and this tip. I couldn't get either one to purge using my no clogger that's sitting on top of this left extruder now. The left extruder is at 250 degrees. Left extruder 250. And I'm trying to purge the material out of this extruder, and I'm pushing down with my no clogger tool that I've used several times and it works great. Just pushes the residual filament out. And right now it's sitting on top of there, and I cannot push the filament out of that. Either one of these tips. This TPU tip, I put in there, go to 250 degrees, push down with the no clogger, and it will not push the material. Let me lift it up so you can see that I'm moving it. And if I guide it back over here and try and push down, it will not go down through there. Is there something wrong with these 2 extruders? That there's something not getting hot up in here? That's 250 degrees. Yeah, it's hot. It's very, very hot. It's 250 degrees, but it's not hot up here. But I extruded this one over here earlier this morning, PLA, and the heatsink fins did not get hot over here either. They're not hot at all, maybe just a tinge warm, but not much. But I cannot get my no clogger tool to go down through that. I have 2 tips that are doing the same thing. What is it doing? What's going on? I mean, there's nothing in here, right? I mean, is there really something between here and up there that's different? Because it's not hot. That material is not hot. And when I tried the green one, I had the same thing. It will not push the filament down through these extruders. So tell me what's going on. That's weird that there's something wrong right there. What's happening? Thanks for watching. Let me know.